Have you ever made your child talk to the plants? Listen carefully. How lovely is the silence of growing things. Ever made them touch a tree trunk? So strong, huge, and well balanced. Ever grown a garden with them? Such a beautiful way to imbibe patience. Ever thought about collecting dry leaves? There can be so much beauty hidden in the most neglected things. Ever made them smell wet soil? It's a perfume for the soul. Have you ever thought of upbringing your child amid nature? If not, I'm sorry, my dear friend. You are doing it all wrong.
ये प्यारी प्यारी आवाजें, बर्ड्स की कितनी अच्छी अच्छी साउंड्स आ रही हैं। ये सब कुछ हमें शिव जी ने दिया है। हाँ जी, सब कुछ वो हमें बहुत प्यार करते हैं। कितने सारे बर्ड्स दिए हैं, देखो। आपको ट्री को हग करना है?